and welcome everyone. Today we're going to enhance eyes using Photoshop. First zoom in and don't worry if it become blurry. Then remove that lock icon from the main image so we can transform it easily. Now let's prepare our effect. Select Brightness Contrast Effect. It will be found down the layer panel. Now raise the brightness to 93. Then convert the layer mask by pressing Ctrl+I if on Windows. For Mac press Command+I. By selecting the brush tool you're now drawing the effect on the eye. Make sure that you're drawing using the white color. To reset the foreground and background colors to default black and white, press D. Then choose the white color to start applying your effect. As you can see, the effect is about to be ready, but you need to small the brush and control the flow a bit to keep the brush under control and save time. Don't forget the navigation panel to easily move inside the image. You can also press space button and move through the image by the cursor. Now check it out, it's about to be done. Let's remove the extra around the eye. To do this, choose the black color and start drawing around the eye using the brush tool. It's okay to make the brush size bigger. Now the effect is ready. But here a tip for you. Let's make it more stunning. Right-click on the layer mask and select Duplicate Layer, then press OK. Now zoom out and have a look to the effect, then keep removing the extras from the both effects layers that we duplicated using the brush tool black color. It's okay to give yourself a break of 10 minutes to come back again and have another look. You will be able to keep it in normal ranges and you will recognize the differences. Don't use the eraser tool to enhance the effect. It will brighten the image and the eye will lose its stunning look. Now let's add another effect. Any eye in the world reflect light. Now we will create it to make it more shining. Add new layer and invert the layer mask as we did. Start drawing using the brush tool and the white color. Select blending options. Here press Alt and drag it to the right. Make it smooth as much as possible. Now we created an eye texture. Let's try the easy way. We will search the internet for blue eye texture and use it to enhance our image. To remove the white background, choose the magic eraser tool. One press can do it. Now let's put it over the girl's eye. To keep the eye ratio, put the cursor on the edge like that and press Shift key. Lower the eye visibility to put it right. Use keyboard arrows to move it carefully. Now erase the top of the eye to make the eyelashes on the top. Let's do it like the professionals. Select blending options. Add inner shadow and drop shadow to the eye. Then start removing the black edge of the eye using the eraser tool. Watch. Now let's enhance the right eye. Duplicate the left eye and position the right eye. An easy way here is the blend mode. Try the mods to reach the best result. I'd prefer the soft light blending mode. After that, adjust the visibility to make it more real. That is all for this tutorial. See you next week. Don't forget to subscribe. Good day.